Yes. Did you watch the video? Yes. In this video, who was more happy? Crow or peacock? Crow was more happy. Yes. Now, okay, chalo start. Everyone is special. What is that? I'm going to read one very good story. Chalo start. Yes. Everyone is special. Students, in that video you saw the crow was more happy. First he was not happy, but afterwards when he talked to the peacock, then he felt that he was more lucky and more happy bird. Now students, I'll ask you something. Two new students have been admitted to your class. One is very pretty but not very friendly. Okay? One is very pretty, very smart looking and but not very friendly. The other is ordinary looking, okay, but has a sweet smile and is friendly. Now, my question is, who will you make friend with? तुम किसको friend बनाओगे? The pretty one or the friendly one? Yes, student, of course, the friendly one. Yes. Here we have this story, Tweety the little bird. Chalo, we'll enjoy this story. Tweety was a little bird. It was not very pretty. Okay? It was not very pretty. In fact, it was the ugliest bird in the flock. Ugliest means not beautiful. Okay? Flock means all. Have you noticed the birds are always going in a group together? So, however, Tweety was very kind and clever. All the other birds ignore it because it was ugly. Tweety was very kind, okay, and she is very clever also. But all other birds ignore. They don't want to be with Tweety. Why they don't want to be with the Tweety? Because it was ugly. The Tweety was not beautiful bird, so they don't want to be with Tweety. Every time it went to play with them, they sent it away. Whenever Tweety is going to play with them, they are not playing with Tweety. Whenever Tweety felt bad, students, anyone will feel bad if no one is playing with you. You also will feel bad, na? Yes or no? So Tweety also felt bad. But it remembered what its mother always said. What its mother said always? My dear, be proud of what you are. My dear, be proud of what you are. Always remember that you are this way for a very special reason. Always remember that you are this way for a very special reason. One day, now listen, next part of the story. One day, the king ordered his men to get the prettiest bird for the princess. As king has order, the men has to listen, so they went to the forest. The men came to the forest and spread a net to trap the birds. They came to the forest and they spread? A net. Why they spread the net? To trap the birds. Birds को फंसाने के लिए they spread the net. Then they put lots of grains on it and went away. On the net they put lots of grain, and what the birds are eating? Grain. So they put the lots of grains on it and went away. Now after that what happened? One of the birds saw the grain. Okay, so when one bird saw the grain, she was very happy. It said to others, look there, there are so many grains on the ground. There are so many grains on the ground. Let's go and have a feast. Let's go and have a feast. Feast means party time. Okay. So let's go and have a feast. All the birds flew away down to eat the grains. Before they could realize, they just saw the grain and they went down to eat the grains. But what happened? Before they could realize, they were trapped in the net. वो लोग फंस गए थे नेट में. The king's men saw the trapped birds and came to the spot. Okay, the king's men saw the birds saw the trapped birds. Okay, they saw the birds are trapped in the net. So they came to the spot. They came to the near the birds. They started looking for the prettiest bird. Why they started looking for the prettiest birds? Because king ordered to bring the prettiest bird for princess. Okay. All the birds were very pretty. They got confused. Okay. One of them said, let's take all the birds to the palace. From that man, king's man, one suggested कि चलो we will take all the birds because all are pretty. किसको लेना है किसको नहीं लेना है? So they said कि we will take all the birds. Let's take all the birds to the palace. The king can keep the prettiest one and we can keep the other birds. Okay, the king will keep whichever he likes for the princess, and other, they said कि we will take them. Suddenly, what happened? One of them spotted Tweety. He said, let's not to take this ugly bird. The king will get angry with us if he sees it. Saying this, he set Tweety free. What happened? Tweety was not the beautiful bird. So they don't want to take Tweety. So what they did? Tweety को उन्होंने फ्री कर दिया. वो ट्रैप में से नेट में से उसको निकाल के फ्री कर दिया. Now Tweety was lucky ना? She was free. Now it was lunch time. Okay. So the man decided to eat their lunch before going back. After lunch, they lay down to take a nap. They ate their food, they ate their lunch, then they said, okay, we will take a little rest. Nap means they want to sleep for some time. In the meanwhile, Tweety quickly went and called all the rest in the forest. Where she went? Tweety quickly went and called all the rest in the forest. So all rats came. As soon as the man fell asleep, जब man का नींद खत्म हो गया, so what did they notice? The rest, as soon as the man fell asleep, as soon as the man fell asleep, when the man fell asleep, the rats started chewing the net. Chewing the net means they started cutting the net. By the time the man woke up, जब वो नींद में से जागे, all the birds had flown away. All the birds flew away. Who saved their life? Yes, students. Who saved their life? Tweety. Tweety had saved them. From that day onwards, no one in the forest ever teased or ignored. From that day onwards, no one in the forest ever teased or ignored Tweety. It became a special bird from an ordinary one. Yes, Tweety became special bird. First, Their friends don't want to take Tweety with them. They are not playing with Tweety. But after this, when she saved the life of all these birds, everybody everybody liked the Tweety, and Tweety, it became a special bird. Yes, students. So now you understood. Everyone is special. Okay. Now question time. Okay. Fill in the blanks. First one. It's very simple, students. No need to by heart this. Only this you have to, we have learned the lesson. This is the, when we ask the question, this is the recap. Okay. Just to understand. Tweety was an ugly bird, and so the other birds, what? Other birds ignore it. Second one. The dash order is meant to get the prettiest bird for the dash. Who order? The king. For whom he want the prettiest bird? For the princess. Yes. The rats saved the birds by the net. What the rats did? They chewing the net, and they saved the life of the birds. Next, after being saved, no one in the forest ever dash or ignore dash. Yes, in the forest, no one tease. No one now will tease Tweety or ignore. Okay. The king's man did not want to take Tweety as it was not. Why they don't want to take the Tweety? Tweety as it was not prettiest like the other birds. Now second one. Only you have to answer in yes or no. Okay. Very simple. First one. Tweety was kind and clever. Yes. Very good. The birds flew down to eat fruits. No. They flew down to eat grains, not the fruits. Tweety's mother told it to be proud of itself. Yes. Tweety could not save the birds. No, she saved the birds. Tweety became a special bird from an ordinary one. An ordinary one. Yes. Now next, time to think. Students, I'll ask you one thing. We should not give too much importance to outwards beauty, nor should we want to change our appearance to make others happy. It is more important to be a good person than a beautiful. Each one of us is special. So, we all have our own qualities. What we do is more important than how we look. Be proud of your qualities and don't let others make you feel small. So students, be proud of yourself, that whatever I am, yes, I am. But learn the good qualities. Okay. Now the second one, time for reality check. What is that? Students, most grandparents are not as strong as they used to be in their young age. They begin to look old. Grandchildren love grandparents because they are kind and caring. They tell grandchildren, what your grandparents telling you? Stories, na students? Yes, they tell grandchildren stories and help in whatever way they can. Do you love your grandparents? Because of how they look or because of what they do and the kind of person they are? Why you love your grandparents? Because they are taking care of you. They love so much you, and every day they tell you the story and they are explaining you what is good, children, not to do this. Yes or no? So all this kind of persons, they all this. So you love your grandparents. So children, we are very lucky that we have the grandparents. Yes or no? Okay. Now next is, now your time. Students, I'll ask you the question. What will you do? What will you do in the given situation? Take the correct option. Your best friend is very good looking. Huh? Your best friend is very good looking. You are proud to be seen with her. One day she falls sick and does not come to school for many days. Okay, one day she falls sick and does not come to school for many days. When she finally comes, she looks too thin and is no longer good looking like before. Before she was very good looking, but after her illness, she was not looking that good before how she looks. So what will you do? There are three options. First one, still be proud to be her friend or ignore her and make another friend. Feel embarrassed to be with her. Embarrassed means you don't want to, like उसके साथ तुमको रहना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, शर्म आता है कि ये कैसे लग रही है, सब बोलेंगे इसकी फ्रेंड कैसे है ना. So that, so which you will say? Yes, still be proud to be her friend. Beauty is not important. The second one, next week is the school annual day. Listen carefully. All parents are invited. Okay. After the function, the parents are invited to have tea with the principal and the teachers. Your father has had a fall and his face is full of scars. Scars में तुम्हारे father की face पे बहुत सारे ऐसे marks आ गए, निशान आ गए हैं, हाँ, of the bruises. What will you do? Tell your parents about the invitation. Feel embarrassed and not show them the card, or request your parents not to stay for tea? Yes, students. What will be your answer? Yes. You will say your parent, or you will say कि no, mummy, dada, don't stay because your face is not on your face, you have the scars, so don't come. Like that you will say? No. Tell your parents about the invitation. Tell your parents about the invitation. Now next. Now your time. There is always something good in everyone. Now in the grid given below, encircle the good qualities hidden amongst the letters. Then shade the ones you possess in the color of your choice. Okay, some qualities are given here. Students, I'm going to read that qualities. So if any qualities in yours, like if you are very careful, very hard working, you are doing very hard working, so whichever qualities is in you, तुम्हारे अंदर जो quality है वो quality को आप color करो. You color it, that quality, in this grid. Okay, if you have all the qualities, then very good, so you color all. Or if you are very neat in writing in your workbook, so color that neat word. Okay, students, yes, the qualities are listed below. Careful, cheerful, generous, hardworking, honest, loving, grateful, kind, neat, obedient, polite, thankful, wise. Careful means you are very caring of your parents. If your mother is not well, you help your mother, or you help your brother, or you take care of your small brother or sister. Cheerful, you are very happy, like you want to be happy and you are making others also to be happy. Generous, very caring, very kind, like helping nature. No? You want to help others, like, or hardworking. Means you are very hardworking. If you want to learn something, you are working very hard. No, I want to learn this. So you are studying morning also, afternoon time also, all the time, and you want to do your very honest. Honest, one thing. Honest means see, in the class, if you you find a pencil or eraser, you're very honest and you ask, who's this eraser, who's this pencil? Yes, this quality is, if it is there in you, you should color. Loving, yes, if you are very loving with your parents, with your friends, with your mother, with your grandparents, with animals. That. Grateful, if someone is helping you, so you are very grateful to that person. Kind, helping nature. Neat, you are very neat in doing your work. Obedient means you are listening to your parents. If your parents are saying don't go out or do this work, you are listening. Okay. Polite, you are talking very politely, very softly. Okay, you are not giving the back answer to anyone. Thankful, if anyone is helping you, so you are very thankful. Wise means you don't want to give any trouble to others. Wise means you don't want to trouble anyone, like you want to always, like, it's a helping nature only. So if you have from this qualities, you shade that. If you have all, then you shade all. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you like this lesson and the subject. We'll meet you next time with a new lesson of value education. Till then, goodbye, students.